Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can put the Safari to dark mode on your iPad. So whenever I open up the Safari, right, I can just go to a new tab or be in the normal mode, right, and it's all like in this like white color background, so it's in the light mode. So if you want to change Safari to dark mode, you have to change the whole iPad to dark mode. For example, it would look like this. Right, so I would just swipe down from the top right corner of the display within a Safari to open up the control center. And you can see we have the brightness slider, which makes the brightness go up and down. But if you hold it down on it like this, you have a couple of buttons below. And one of them is going to be the dark mode. And when you enable it, you can see that it takes effect inside of the Safari immediately, right? So now you can technically look up some websites, and it's very likely that they are going to be in the dark mode. If not, then it just means that this website and the settings specifically for this website are set up in a way that are not dark mode compatible, right? So for example, if you are signed in to Google on your browser, you'll be able to go to these settings and essentially just be in the switch it to the dark mode. But as you can see already, this another website is like in the dark mode already. So it kind of depends on the website which you are looking at, but generally speaking, that's how you can change the dark mode and a light mode within a Safari. So you can technically switch it back to the light mode again, and as you can see, this website is now with the white background. So I hope it makes sense. That's how you can make it work. That's how you go back and forth. Let me know what you think about this video below. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.